Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you how to make a delicious recipe with red Amarnaath leaf stem. Next time you will not throw the red Amarnaath leaf stem because it's tasty and yummy. For making this recipe I have divided red Amarnaath leaves bunch into three parts. First part is leafy part and the second part is stem part. I have divided the stem part separately and the third part is stem plus leafy part. I'll use only the second and the third part. Take the small piece of stem and remove the thin layer, outer layer of the stem like this and cut into small pieces. Keep aside. Next, prepare a peanut powder. For making peanut powder, I have taken 2 tablespoons roasted peanut and 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seed. Grind all the ingredient. Coarsely grind it like this. Next, turn on the heat. Add a tablespoon oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon onion seed along with 3 sliced green chili. Saute for few seconds until it sizzle and fragrant. Then add half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute and then add the pieces of sponge gourd. This recipe goes well with sponge gourd. I have cut 4 sponge gourd into small pieces. Give a good mix, well combine and cook until it soft. Then add our prepared stem of red Amarnaath leaves. Well combine. Keep stirring for 2 minutes over medium heat. Keep stirring to let it heat evenly. Then add the chopped leaves along with the stem. You should cut the stem into small pieces. Next, add salt according to your taste. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out the lid. Turn to high heat and keep stirring for 2 minutes. Then add previously prepared peanut powder. If you like, you can add some red chili along with the peanut, but I have not added because I have added green chili. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. Mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat and press it like this so that it will cook with steam. See, our yummy red Amarnaath leaf stem recipe is done. Serve it with roti, chapati or white steamed rice. Friends, if this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.